if you come across questions in which you're expected to choose between who and whom, then stay tuned. Hello and thanks for watching. My name is Bridget. On this channel, I teach sounds, grammar, compositions, and other problematic topics in English. To my returning subscribers, you're welcome. And if you're watching me for the first time, you're also welcome. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and remember to share this video. Let's dive into how to use who and whom in our expressions. First, when do you use whom and when do you use whom? Who is used for humans, usually in the subject position. That is when they're about to perform an action, while whom is usually used for humans or persons and is usually found in the object position. That is where you receive an action. Now note, how then do you know when to use them? You hear expressions such as to whom it may concern or to who it may concern. So, how then do you know the correct one? Number one tip, if the gap provided you is preceded by a verb, action, word, then choose who. That means that expression is about to perform an action, so you choose who. For example, have you seen the woman who was arrested? Have you seen the woman who was arrested? Now observe something. Who comes before was, which is an auxiliary verb. Tip number 2. If the gap provided before you is preceded or comes before a noun, for example, a name of a person, Bridget, or comes before a noun phrase, the man or the woman, or comes before a pronoun such as I or you, then you should choose whom. For example, I know the student whom you said Jude gave money. I know the student whom you said Jude gave money. Now observe whom and then the pronoun you. Tip number 3. If the gap provided before you is preceded by expressions such as somebody thinks, somebody believes, or somebody said, you should check what follows after the expression. If it is a noun or a noun phrase or a pronoun, then you choose whom. But if what follows after the gap is a verb, then you choose who. So we've come to the end of today's lesson. I want you to answer the questions on the screen. The answer to question number 1 is what? The answer to question number 1 is what? And the answer to question number 2 is what? Now, number 1, the answer is whom. Question number 2, the answer is who. So, I hope you understand this lesson. If you do, remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.